Do you know the word stuti means hymns of praise, and a stuti dance is typically a devotional or praiseful performance where the dancer expresses reverence towards a particular deity or spiritual principle. The focus of the dance could range from celebrating the divine power, seeking blessings, or expressing love and devotion. Each theme brings a distinct energy to the performance.
It was really informative. So all of you get ready for our next performance, which is a special treat as we witness a classical Stuti dance performance. Our talented dancers have worked tirelessly to bring this beautiful art form to life, and we are so excited to share their dedication with all of you. The dancers of Delhi World Public School Rajkot will take you on a spiritual journey with their grace and devotion. Stage is all yours, friends.
Sura Surai Sevita Pada Pankaja Kare Virajat Kamaniya Pustaka Virinchi Patni Kamalasana Sthita Saraswati Nrutyatu Bajime Sada 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 Sada
पुस्तकधारिणी वरवीणा पुस्तकधारिणी वाणी मंगलकारिणी चदुवुल राणी योगविचारिणी भवती विद्यां देहि तीर्चवे ज्ञानार्ति भवितकु बासट नीवे बासरवासिनी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी वरवीणा पुस्तकधारिणी सुंदरी माधवी चंद्र सहोदरी हेममयी मुनिगणवंदित मोक्ष प्रदायिनी मंजुळभाषिणी वेदनुते पंकजवासिनी देव सुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी आदिलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम् नाशिनि कामिनि वैदिकरूपिणि वेदमये क्षीरसमुद्भव मङ्गलरूपिणि मन्त्रनिवासिनि मन्त्रनुते मङ्गलदायिनि अम्बुजवासिनि देवगणाश्रितपादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनि धान्यलक्ष्मि जय पालय माम्
भूतापहारिणि जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमस्तुते जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतापहारिणि जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमस्तुते जयन्ती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा धात्री स्वाहा स्वाहा नमस्तुते या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्मै 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 नमो नमः
That was really awesome, girls. The energy in the atmosphere was palpable. You all seemed to be completely connected through your dance.